The lazy cat snoozes on the mat. The busy streets are filled with cars and buses. The buzzing bees fly from flower to flower. Liz's shoes are shiny and stylish. Silly Sally seashells by the seashore, singing silly songs with smile. In the lively town of Sunnyvale, Sarah and her friends plan a fun party for their classmate Alex. They decorate the place with colorful balloons, ribbons, and shiny paper. Sarah gives Alex a special present, a pretty necklace with shiny blue stones. Everyone loves and has a great time together, making happy memories that will stay with them forever.